guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching how to make the double crochet shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on those, and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did use regular double crochet stitches, and then on the row that I'm currently working, I have already made 2 chains. So I'm going to go ahead and skip one stitch right here. I'm going to work a shell into the second stitch. The reason being, you need to leave room for your shells because they are wider stitches. So if you do too many together, they're going to start waving your work and it's going to start looking a little weird. If you want them to lay flat, you're going to need to give them more room. And shell stitches are just a bunch of stitches in the same chain, stitch, or space. So for this shell, I'm going to do 5 double crochet stitches into this second stitch right here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see why people call it a shell for the way it's laying. I'm going to skip 2 and I'm going to put a single crochet right here just so we can sort of anchor it down into our work. I'm then going to skip 2 and I'm going to work 5 double crochet into this stitch right here, another shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's how my shells are looking so far. I'm going to skip 2 again, do a single crochet right here just to anchor down that shell. And then I'm going to skip 2, I'm going to work at one more shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to work a little half double crochet over here to match that chain 2 on this side that I had made. Okay, and that's going to be how the double crochet shell stitch is going to look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.